good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, you will be the first to see. Yes, my brother, my sisters, today wetin I take come now, this woman when it be say una dey see for this place, this woman wey una dey see for this social media, for this place, so na him I dey talk to una. So this woman she's not a good woman, and she claimed to be a graduate of University of United States. I don't know where he go from, I don't know what he be. This woman, she not be good woman. How you go, you don't marry, you go come dey drag your former man wey you born for before? Wetin that one mean? Wetin that one mean? To show say this one wey you dey with now, you no love am, na that one you love? You just dey claim, dey talk. Let assume now say na me marry this woman put for house now. I go just pursue am comot, because why? This house now when he dey now, he no love the man when he dey with am. Because if he love the man when he dey with am, he no go dey drag the former husband say make the husband come. Because since now when he born this pikin now for this person, not be this person dey take care of the person. You dey hear me so? But now they drag the man, make the man come take care of the baby. When you dey another man house, you just dey make man, dey shout, dey do this, they do that. You dey do all this shout. Wetin those shout wan stand now? Wetin those stand now constant? I will let you know something today. I will let you know something today. If you know say you love that man where you dey with, you go leave this issue where you dey talk about. Because I know say una wey be women, una no dey love man wey love una. Una eye go dey different place. Because this man now, you go carry belle for am without this man no know. Whether another person give you the belle now or na this man will not know. You dey say DNA, you don't need any hard DNA. Which kind DNA you dey find? You dey find international DNA or you dey find American DNA? So my people, my brother, my people, may we leave this woman, may we watch this video together. After we finish watching this video, so we go know what she dey talk. Because we
to address this issue, Daddy Freeze, this message is directed to you, Daddy Freeze. Daddy Freeze, what did I do you? What have I done to you, Daddy Freeze? I took out my time, my quality time, my precious time to cry out to Nigerians, to come to my aid, and you came out because I trust myself. And you came out, responded to me that I should go and take care of my child myself. Daddy Freeze, it will not go where. Did I call you? Did I call you to interfere in my case? If you do not have solution to my problem, why don't you keep your mouth shut? Why don't you keep your mouth shut, Daddy Freeze? Daddy Freeze, I've come to warn you. I'm telling you now because you better mind your business. You better mind your business. It takes two to tango. Look, birds of the same feather flocks together. I'm not that kind of lady. I'm telling you, I'm not that kind of lady that you bully around anyhow. I'm not. If other Nigerian women hide their shit, I don't hide mine, and I will never hide it. You mess with me, you go down with me. Yes, you mess with me, you go down with me. If you know you're happily married in your marriage, keep your dick in check. Keep it in check. I did not ask for it from you. I did not ask for it from my baby dad. And you, Daddy Freeze, it goes a long way to show that you actually are not a responsible man. Because if you were a responsible man, a legitimate child of your father, you will not address my case like this. Don't you have a heart? Don't you have a heart? If you were the legitimate child of your father, you will not address my case like this. Don't you have a conscience? You are telling me to go and take care of my child, myself. I need the fatherly love from the man. For crying out loud. I need the fatherly love from my baby dad. That's why I cried out. That's why I cried out. I don't need any fake DNA test from any illegal hospital. So I'm calling on foreign bodies for you to not carry yourself all by yourself to come and be putting down your dirty, filthy mouth to tell me, Shine Francis Odigye, to go and take care of my child all by myself. Do you know what it is? Do you know what fatherly love means? If you experienced one, you will not say that out of your mouth. You won't spill that out of your mouth, Daddy Freeze. Come on, let me ask you. Do I look like one of those pastors that you run your mouth all over? Do I look like them? I'm not one, no. If you get what you want from me, if you give me love, you get love. If you give me wickedness, I will show you double. I will show you double. Come, Daddy Freeze. Look, it seems you are not matured enough. You have not grown. Come, if you have not grown, come, I will breastfeed you. I will breastfeed you. Come and suck. I will breastfeed you so that you will receive sense. Because if you were properly fed when you were infants, you won't be vomiting nonsense. You won't be vomiting nonsense. Daddy Freeze. Come. Beware. Be very careful with the words that you utter from your mouth. With the ways that you utter from your mouth. If you are one of those men who compel women to have abortions, you better put yourself in check. Because one day it will get to your turn. You will get a no-nonsense lady like me that will drag you to the mud. I'm telling you, you better check yourself and put yourself in the right place. If you don't need a child from any woman, don't disturb the woman's life. Somebody who has prepared herself, worked on herself, invested on herself, monetarily, educationally, and everything. You will come and say you have the biggest one. You want to dualize her. You want to dualize her to disfigure her life. The way your life is precious. So women's life are precious. My life is very precious. Look, Daddy Freeze, I want to put this to you. Go and I want to see your DNA test. I want to see your DNA test also to be sure that you are the legitimate child of your father. Because if you are one, you will not reason that way. How can you be so myopic? How can you be so myopic? Come, you guys cannot shut me down. You cannot shut me down. That's how you discriminate every lady they are afraid to express themselves. That's how you discriminate every lady they are afraid to express themselves. I'm not a party to that. Daddy Freeze, you can't shut Shine Francis down. I'm telling you this moment, you can't shut me down. I need your DNA results. Daddy Freeze, I need your DNA results because if you were a true Nigerian, a legitimate child of your father, you won't address an innocent child like that. I cried for help. If you cannot help me, shut it. Shut your mouth. Shut your filthy mouth because I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear the nonsense that comes from your mouth. Look, if you know what is good for you, you better back out from this case. Or did he give you money? Did that riffraff give you money? Did he give you money to publicize, to canvass for him? Look, you know what is right. Until you stand on the path of what is right, you all will continue to receive insults. You will continue to receive insults. I'm telling you, Daddy Freeze, you better mind your business. You better mind your business because I'm not one of those ladies that you toy with. I'm not one of those ladies that you toy with because you can't eat your cake and have it. You can't eat your cake and have it. If you had told me what I wanted, am I a fool? Come on. Do I look like a fool? Do I look like a fool that would dance to the tone of a man, a worthless man who took this so many times to convince me to open my precious body for him? At the end of the day, you are asking me questions, telling me I should go and take care of my child. That is a blackmail. Are you sick in the head? Daddy Freeze, are you sick in the head? Come, I'm reminding you once again, you have not grown up. Because if you have grown, you won't be talking like this. Come, I will feed you with this, my breast. I will feed you so that you will receive sense. Receive sense. Daddy Freeze, nonsense. I hate nonsense. Don't give me that crap. Don't give me that crap. If you cannot help me, get out of the way. Let who wants to help me, help me. Help is what I need. And justice is what I'm crying for my innocent daughter. Not me. Not me, because I'm already a wounded lion. Justice is what I'm crying for from my innocent daughter. And justice I will get. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. Justice, I will get. Nonsense.
Nah. As you dey useless reach, you dey cause that the freeze now. That the freeze now ain't cause your problem. Wetin that the freeze tell you now, na it be the rightful answer for your problem. Madam, leave this man alone. Go follow your husband, go dey do your thing. You say no, you no wan do this. You are a gold digger. You dey call yourself as a gold digger. Because why? Your mind tell you say because that man dey okay for where he dey and he get big and he get good family, you now wan come carry your own evil mind come enter. You wan come destroy the household where the man don do now. You wan come claim wetin you know where you no reap. You wan come reap where you no sow. You dey there dey dance. I dey see your music where you dey dance like a flood. You no tall. You just short like a short bang boom. You are there making man shouting up and down. You don't want to go and face your family, the one wey marry you. You dey tell me now say this one wey marry you now, you no get single love for her. Because why? You dey fight where you no reap. You dey fight where you no sow, may you reap. You dey talk about English. Waiting this thing now where you dey say you go school now, you go school today now. This thing now where you dey do today, it resemble wetin that they go school for. Even Tonto Dike sef when he be say a husband dey friend am before, he dey do this, the husband dey marry am before. The husband don go chook everybody. He don go marry him best friend. Tonto Dike sef, he don even quiet. He no dey even talk about the husband sef. You now so you don dey another man house. And with the children again, you dey claim the first one made the one come take care of a baby. So this one now where you dey with you are not happy with am. You know they take care of your baby. Akwe one thing that is caniko. Hi, you dey talk say not be the same papa, not be papa daddy freeze. Now him born daddy freeze. Make daddy freeze. May they go do DNA. Daddy freeze. That one where they talk to you, so he resemble you person when he be say he dey argue with him papa. He resemble you that one. He resemble you that kind of person. You as a woman, go and solve yourself out. Go follow your husband where you marry now. Deal with him. Forget about DNA, this. Because like I said before, if now me marry you, I could not leave you come off for house. Because you not go feel be marry me, you at the end, at the same time, you dey follow another man. At the same time, you dey follow and you dey drag another man. Say me you can't do DNA for your baby. Who does that now? Who does that? Who does that? You follow another man, you drag another man, you can't do DNA for your baby. You won't let me know now, say this one don't fuck you, this one don't fuck you. If the man now leave you now, what you go do? Man don't marry you, they happy with you. You now they claim another man, may another man come take over his baby before. Why can't you deal with your happily marriage home as you claim say you don't marry me on a day together? You dey claim which actress say where you dey act your film? Because I never see you for one day for film. Or upon the whole film when I don't watch for this life. I never see your film. They say you be actress. I don't know where you for the art. Whether now for inside Ubom, I been inside dead body or inside Fulani house. Now you they ask your film. I never see you for one film one day. I never see you. As they say, actress. I say, which kind of actress be this one? Where should they actress her own? I never see this kind of actress. Oh. Where should they actress her own? I never see this actress once. Where? I beg, una where watch this video. If una know her for her actress, where in the art, so more let me know because I don't know her film. I never see her film once. I never know whether she dey act film or she dey play. I don't know. I never know anything about this woman. And the way where she take the talk, say now I might take answer her. Okay. No, you not get any problem. You know if you give anybody problem, go settle down with a woman where you claim say you marry and forget about daddy freeze and forget about person where you born for. So my brother, my sister, please, if today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live or I post video, you will be the first to see. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and always watch my video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Bye.